Hey everyone, it's Wally. Today I'm in Chatuchak Weekend Market, probably one of the busiest places in Bangkok, especially on the weekends. And I'm here today to try and find, well, I'm not trying to find, I know that there are a couple places here where you can buy pizzas by the slice. Alice, you ready to get some pizza? Yeah? Okay, how many pizzas you gonna eat today? One? All right. Any place where there are plenty of foreign tourists in Bangkok, there's bound to be pizza. Whether it's good pizza or not is another question. Though what is even harder to find is good pizza sold by the slice. Okay, first pizza shop right over here. Oh. First pizza place I found on Google Maps is listed as pizza and French pastries. I don't know, man. The cheese one, I'm not so sure. Which one you want, Alice? Oh, Hawaiian chicken cup. Which one you want? Pepperoni? Hawaiian chicken, like pepperoni chicken. I am familiar with bread making, and their pizza dough is slightly poolish, which results in a lighter and airier crust. It's gonna be good. Okay, the bread looks good. Yeah, it looks like good bread. After looking at their technique and the reheated pizzas we ordered, I took a gamble and decided to order the cheese slice. Yeah, I just try. I'll cheese chin and cup. It's only 49 baht, so if it's bad, I'm not gonna feel too guilty. That one's yours? Yeah. You want the pepperoni? All right. Yeah, that's the pepperoni. That's the Hawaiian. And yeah, that's the cheese. Yeah. Okay, so I gotta admit, at first, the cheese one, in the case, it didn't look so great. Yeah, I know. But you know what? The bread looks really good though. Gonna try the cheese one first. Not bad. Looks pretty good. All right. Oh, the sauce is a little bit too sweet for my taste, but that's good. Gonna bite into Hawaiian. The Hawaiian actually looks a lot fresh. I think it just came out of the oven not too long ago. So this one might be like the truest taste of how this pizza is. Not too crazy about Hawaiian pizzas, but the ingredients are actually quite fresh. If you like a lot of cheese on your pizzas, you will like this style of pizza. The bread is really, really good and flavorful. All right, so the next place we're going to is called Paris Pizza. It's pretty interesting that there's a French theme to these pizzerias in Chatuchak. But it looks like all these places are not that far from each other, so I'm gonna head to Paris Pizza right now. While we're here in Chatuchak, it's almost impossible to leave empty-handed. Okay. Alice is growing too fast, so she needs some new clothes. 20 years in Thailand, and I never bought an elephant shirt before. This is the first day. All right, which one should I buy? I don't even know. What color? I don't know, you choose for me, what color? What do you think? Maybe one with more elephants? The more elephants, the better, right? You want to choose that one for me, Alice? Yes. What color is that? This? Black and white? Black. This is black. Oh my God. Uh-oh, too old. Okay, yeah, I want that one. I want black and white. Yeah, that's good.
Black one, not bad.
Yeah. Thanks for choosing the colors, Alice. 200 baht. That's not that bad. Maybe I'll wear my new elephant shirt for my next pizza review in Bangkok. Now that we're finished, let's go check out the second pizzeria. Okay, we're gonna try out Paris Pizza, or is it Pizza Paris? I don't remember, but this place is booming. And I even have the opportunity to meet and talk to the nice owner. That's why I came to try.
Oh, thank you very much.
No problem.
People like.
It looks good. It looks so busy.
Yes, all day.
How long you have this business?
1 year and a half.
1 year and a half.
18 months.
Not so long, not so long.
No.
You mind we go on video? Hey, by the way, this is the owner.
Thank you for visit. Thank you.
Anytime, no problem. Yeah, that's cool. Thank you so much. Thank you. No problem. Thank you. Pepperoni แล้วก็เอา you can แล้วก็อันนี้sausage cup. Look over there. Alice hijacked my camera. It's all good. I use my phone. Oh, check it out. The pepperoni looks solid. The bread. Whoa. I am so impressed with the bread at the markets here. Yeah. And I chose a sausage. Okay, let's try it out. That sausage definitely looks like it's really good quality. Oh, look at all that cheese. That pepperoni looks like really good quality too. And Alice heading right for the cheese. How is it?
It's good.
All right, I'm just gonna try the sausage slice here. All right. The bottom I think needs a little bit more char. There's a very big difference between the pepperonis and the sausage here. Anyways, this is what it is. Let's give it a try first. This one, the sausage. They definitely don't cheap out on the cheese. If you guys like a lot of cheese on your pizza, which I really don't, you know, I know that some people do like it because they love the cheese pull and all that kind of stuff. I just wish that it was more well done. All right, so I'm gonna try some of the pepperoni, the one that I think has the better baked bread. You know, after trying this pizza and looking at the setup of this pizzeria right here, it looks the same as the first place I went to. Because the prices are the same, the ingredients, the taste, the style, it's all the same. I can see why they have a long line. That's good pizza. It's a shame, I could have asked the owner, but he's not around at the moment. I mean, look, this guy's got a constant line at his pizzeria. And they only open on the weekends though, so, you know, they really gotta make that money up. Because rent in Chatuchak is very expensive. Yeah, I will definitely come back. This place is not far from me. So on the weekends, I'll definitely be back here. All right, next time I'm gonna try out the desserts, okay? Next time, all right? Ran out today's only pizzas, all right?
I eat today this one.
Okay. Drop by Pizza Paris, get yourself a slice of pizza, some quiche, a tart, and support this owner. He's a really hard-working guy. I'll see you all in the next pizza review.